The second category of group development theories is the cyclical models. They're similar to the sequential ones because both propose a series of steps or stages. They're different because the cyclical model assumes the development process is a repeatable cycle that can be interrupted. Any resolution of conflict, thus, is temporary, as it will resurface again at some point in the future. One of the most commonly cited cyclical models is Worchel's, published in 1994. It outlines 6 stages as shown here in the image: discontent, precipitating incident, group identification, group productivity, individuation, and decay. During the discontent stage, individuals don't yet consider themselves part of the group, and participation is low. They're attracted to the group, but it isn't part of their identity yet. Some people may even feel alienated from other members. Then, in the precipitating incident stage, some event sparks their interest in the group and its purpose. Members start to coordinate their actions in response to this event and recognize their shared interests. During the group identification stage, they show signs of commitment to the group, and it becomes part of their social identity. In the group productivity stage, members coordinate their efforts to achieve the group's goals. This is the performing stage, when they get to work. Next is the individuation stage. After working hard for some time, members want to be recognized and rewarded for their contributions. The final stage of Worchel's model is called the decay stage, where members invest less time and energy in their role. Then, the group returns to the first stage and continues to develop, moving through the cycle multiple times throughout its lifespan.